Welcome to Camp's World.
Burger King. Yeah, you're right. The problem is there's no place to have coffee there, right? But you're right. You got a good point.
We're having a kebab night.
You said, oh, last time it was falling out.
Robert's trying to teach Patrick how to open the kebab.
How do we open it?
It's like there, it's open.
Slowly, you hold the bottom part together.
Yeah.
And then the top part you take off slowly. Rip it, that's okay.
Yeah, and that's it. You don't need to rip out the whole thing.
Hold it together tight though when you're holding it so it doesn't fall apart, right?
That's right. How was it?
He loves wraps. Number one. What's in there?
Chicken and lettuce. I can see some onions. Want some picante also? Delish.
Why do you need a bigger table? You're just a little guy.
After dinner, coffee time. Cheers. Cafe con leche.
Cheers.
My favorite, baklava. I'm gonna try.
I want to try. I want to try.
Okay. I'll give one first for Patrick. He said he wants to try. As if you haven't tried this many times. I've got bought like takeaway, a lot of that takeaway.
I've got nuts and honey.
Pistachios and honey. Next is for me. After this, we'll get some more takeaway. Delicioso.
Bueno. Muy bien.
Muy bien, muy bien.